Berries. A spring and summer favorite packed with lots of nutrients that help your body protect itself. We'll look at blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, and I will share a berry smoothie recipe. Berries provide vitamin C, supporting your immune system to fight off disease. Berries are a great source of fiber for digestion and manganese for brain and nerve function. Berries are rich in phytochemicals which increase communication between the cells in the body and repair damage. First up, blueberries. Blueberries are harvested from mid-March through October and grow around the world, including more than 450 species. There are 3 types of bushes: high bush, rabbit eye, and low bush. Colonists learned from Native Americans how to gather blueberries from the summer sun and store them for winter. The Northeast Native American tribes revered blueberries. The calyx forms the shape of a perfect 5-point star, and tribe leaders told how the Great Spirit sent starberries to relieve children's hunger during a famine. This image points out the calyx and skin on the outside and the flesh and seeds inside the fruit. Blueberries are the second most popular berry among Americans, after strawberries. Wait, split one? They almost look like a grape inside. They do have seeds inside. Just kind of squish it. You can kind of see the little spot in there. That's a seed. But they come off the bush. Delicious. Next up, the blackberry. The evergreen blackberry is native to England and appeared in Oregon around the mid-1800s. Native Americans, settlers, and animals all took part in bringing berries down to California. Blackberries and raspberry plants are members of the rose family. Blackberries, all those little balls, it makes up a cluster. Those are called drupelets. And those are like tiny little fruits. They each have a seed and they're clustered together. They grow off the bush, and see the center, it's called the torus. Kind of like your torso. It's the center part, and that part stays attached. Where raspberries, these have little seeds, so I bite down very gently. And those seeds seem to get stuck right in your teeth. So for adults or, older people that might get stuff stuck in their teeth, maybe people with braces, you might not like these because they have little tiny seeds, but they're big enough to get jammed into somewhere. But to me, they taste like soap. It tastes like it would smell really pretty, but I don't know if it's necessarily sweet. And that could just be the batch. So yeah, you really got to watch those little seeds there. And finally, the raspberry. There are over 200 different known species of raspberries, but only 2 species are grown on a large scale. California leads the nation in production of fresh raspberries. Berries can be grown in pots or in the garden. They come in 4 different colors: red, black, purple, and gold. The people of legendary Troy, modern-day Turkey, were the first to note an appreciation of raspberry fruit. Wild raspberries, believed to be native to Asia, have been eaten since prehistoric times. So we were talking about the Taurus. But the raspberry, see how there's a hole? It stays with the plant. And so when they are plucked, that's the difference between the boysenberry, boysenberry, blackberry. Can't really see the center. See a hole? Center. That's how you'll know. Because otherwise they would look very similar, because they both have these little drooplet style where you could really pluck one of these. See, they're coming off in a row. Each little one is a tiny fruit. That's kind of fun to eat like that. Now let's make a berry smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of orange juice, 1 cup of low-fat milk or almond milk, and 1 banana, 2 cups of frozen berries, and a vintage blender. Just kidding, a working blender will do. After peeling the banana, place into the blender and add the first 2 ingredients. I only had 2 cups and they were both measured at a half, so you'll see me pour twice to make up a whole cup and 4 times to make up 2 cups. It's best to blend these items before adding the frozen berries, but I didn't. Blend until smooth and serve immediately. Well, that was really fast, and now I'm gonna give it a try. Sour. Still sweet. Sweet as me. This is my dog Kirk, and she has new overalls. Thanks for joining us. Share what you've learned with your family and friends, and we'll see you next time. Here's the first berry from my garden. So cute.